Alla soda, alla soda, battery tester. An old vacuum cleaner. The battery is really old. The cells are each cell is on a 3.95, 3.96. So I am going to test it under voltage, set it up, amperage. My multimeter is not exact because I have modified it and didn't set it accurate again to be accurate, but it is more precise, I mean. So let's test it. After that I will put an impulse charger at the battery pack, an impulse charger, and then we check again the capacity of the battery pack. Peace.